Hi everyone, and welcome back. So if you missed the last episode, I took the van and together we drove up to the northwest of UK to learn how to build a new eco-living. One more eco-building that I added on the list. Simple and very, very easy to build. As women, we were all together to learn how to make that place a more permanent living space. So if, like me, you are passionate about how to build yourself, how to live, and how to avoid the laws, the rules, and the BS that go with it, the link is just up onto the right side of your screen. Please feel free to click, leave a comment, tell me how you feel, and what do you think about living that really new old way of living free. So that said, I wasn't ready after that to jump straight into London jungle. So I decided to go for more adventure. And if you know a little bit my stories, you must guess who I called to extend a little bit longer my crazy adventures. Yo! You good, mate?
How are you?
Not bad, not bad. What are you up to?
Nothing really, just chill.
Are you available for the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks?
Yeah. I don't have a van.
Well, I'm gonna pick you up then in a couple of hours, okay?
Okay.
You have 4 hours to pack and get ready. Yo?
Okay.
Do you know where we are going?
Where are we going?
I don't know! I'll see you in a bit! Ciao, mate!
Okay.
Hi everyone, I'm Tam. Did you know that nowadays freedom was a full-time job? And the master keys on how to become a free as a bird human being only resides in your choices? Well, I won't mislead you here. This isn't just a sparkly van life channel. This is an open heart surgery. You will need to let go the BS you have heard until today and a good amount of willpower. So, are we ready to drop our expectations for a better experience? Because this is how I live my life. And I hope to see you on that path very soon, my people. Become faster and faster.
I know.
Hello!
Hello.
Thank you.
How are we doing?
I'm not gonna do your oldie intro because you know him now. Yeah, he stick at me like a proper psycho.
What the fuck?
You still don't have your van, mate.
No, I know.
And he doesn't have his van, so I picked him up from Cardiff. We head to where again?
Brecon Beacons.
Brecon Beacons. And we are taking you with us.
The sponsor of today's episode is mirrored glasses.
𝑺𝑶𝑳𝑶 mirror glasses.
When you wear mirrored glasses, you can look at sexy women without them knowing.
This is $100. This is where you have been out for.
Let's go. Oh, we're on the camera. Hello.
Okay, bye. Just improvise.
Hello there.
This is my wife.
I'm not even in your video. I'm like half in it.
I tell you didn't want to be in my video.
I don't really want to be in it.
You don't want to be, but you want to be. Are you on your period?
Very funny. I'm gonna go do my video now. My video is gonna be better.
Yeah.
So if you want to watch my video, you can click the link in the description and come over to my video.
He looks much sexier. That's English. He looks much sexier in his video than in my video.
Exactly.
Because I'm a bit using him.
Because she uses me. She abuses me.
No.
Gotta go, mate. If we're gonna make it today to the waterfall,
But we are going.
you gotta go faster.
Okay.
That way, so.
Figuring out. Here we are! Oh man, I forgot that the camera is here. So we are on our way to... You don't know the name of the waterfall?
No, they're all Welsh names. Hard to pronounce.
Absolutely impossible to pronounce when you don't come from Wales.
This is one word.
Were they drunk when they named this town? This is a town?
Lanfair Pwaiguan Gwail Gogger.
Yeah, no, I'm just gonna go.
However, look at pretty it's beautiful. You feel a bit like in the jungle. At any moment there is a tiger coming out. But no, it's not exactly the right place. Maybe a liam coming out. So yeah, that's the path for now. Nothing crazy, all flat. It's not like what we did for Scafell Pike. We were just remembering our terrible night in the mountain, in the darkness, ending up in the hospital. Which is not going to be the case today. Yeah, that's what you think. We're just going to go for 4 hours on a flat road, enjoying more water than the rain that Wales has to offer. So yeah, we're not going to see a waterfall. It totally makes total sense now. And we are in July, as you can see, so it's a wonderful July. Let's not talk weather. Let's just walk and you know, just shut up basically. Okay, I'll speak to you later. See you soon. And I didn't tell you about the main item of that trip is the yellow willies. I don't know if you can see them.
Yellow willies.
I have a yellow willy.
It's a problem.
There is an issue. I discovered willies when I arrived in UK because before that I didn't need them.
Yellow
So yeah.
White wellies.
Thank you. I told you guys. They knew. They know. Wales is on point on fashion.
So thank you for wearing your camouflage. It'll keep you disguised while you're in the bush. So good job. Oh my god. She wanted them wellies, man. She looked like she was going to steal
wanted
them.
yellow
wellies. She said it with such passion. Nice wellies.
I love your willy.
Here we have a bench.
Oh la la! Oh, well. King in the castle, king in the castle.
To the waterfall, like into the waterfall. I'm gonna show you. finally, good for Liam, took a shower.
You definitely come the wrong way, right?
Yeah,
Because everyone's coming this way.
but because they go up and then they go down.
Do you think we fucked up?
No, we can ask.
So, guys, a little update. Guess what? Now we fucked it up. Again and again and again. Hey, I recognize that.
What?
The map, yeah, we were here, is straight ahead.
Straight that way, yeah?
We go.
Which way, you sure?
Okay, this way.
No, that's 𝒂𝒑 the waterfall. This is the parking. Go
Okay,
on, have
yeah,
to see.
you're right. So let's go.
Just check his map.
There is nowhere else. Yeah, there is nobody else. There is no people. People, hello. Little update. We are about it's nearly 10 p.m. We are trying to figure out which one was the hardest, 𝒂𝒂𝒊𝒏𝒈 or those waterfalls.
I'm really craving a jam donut
Yeah.
and a cup of tea
Oh wow.
by the
Yeah.
fire.
So guys, we can't tell you how happy we are because can you see the light? We can see the light. Check this out, check this out. Ooh, yes.
Oh my god.
We got a bit lost, guys. Oh man, are you sure about the white light?
What time is it?
10 something.
10 something.
10 something.
Good job.
I'm getting lost.
Yeah, we survived.
Actually, we got it's kind of is a ritual, so we don't get lost really. It's just a ritual. We do that on purpose. We do it on purpose, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just to raise the adrenaline, but we know what we are doing really.
Let's get the fuck out of the forest.
No, Kurdish doesn't make me feel like I'm back to civilization.